him! Okay, fine, I'll stop.
Take it then, Megan, because nobody else has answered me.
What?
No, I don't want mash. I said pizza.
You want a pizza?
And what can I have? God's sake.
Riley, pause the goddamn game a minute, right? Nanny is asking you a question. Dom, go outside. Go find it. Make it take the dog outside.
Outside, Dom. Out! Can you tell me the question then?
Right. With your dinner tonight, would you like? You can have mashed potatoes, boiled potatoes, jacket potatoes, rice, chips, smiley faces.
Oh, smiley. Chips, smiley.
Domino! Where's your phone? Where's your phone?
This is
Your phone,
chips and this is smiley faces. O-U-T, out, you must go. Okay, smiley faces, please. Smiley faces and mashed potatoes.
Okay, go. Aiden, I'm back. Where are you, mate?
What do you fancy with it?
I don't know.
Where's the sheep, man? How did you get a bed?
Might have pasta actually, but then I don't know.
Actually, Aiden, can I leave the world? I want to go in the creative one, actually. I want to go I want to dye stuff.
You want to die stuff?
Why? I want to get, I want to dye armor now, actually. Because I thought, I just remembered from yesterday.
I don't know what it's like.
How? Poppy. How do I make armor with red stuff? This. How do I make armor? How do I make beds with poppies? How did you make a poppy? I mean a bed. Oh. Rose red. Oh, that's cool.
Glass. Put glass.
I need to sort out my inventory because it's gone crazy here.
Yeah, because I was going to get the kids combos from Riley and Megan because it was £6 each. So they get a drink in that cup and a sort of popcorn. So 6 and 6 was 12, but I might as well pay an extra £3 and get the family combo. So they get kids box.
Huh.
Kids combo.
Sheep.
And then I'll also
Nice.
get 2 small regular pots. So if you come to watch the dog, I'll just
Well,
come in.
Well, I wanted to get those sheep because it gets me food.
I need to
I found a sheep up there.
Because I go free, live with me, go free, and then well, go free and live with the point. I don't know, whatever.
I'm Link from Breath of the Wild. Oh wait, no, it's a stupid llama. Die, pig. I got pig meat, which is called bacon. Get out. I want beef.
Can you pause this just a sec?
I'm killing all these cows so I can get some beef.
Riley,
Yeah? Yeah, die.
you're
Make-
doing a good job, right? Why don't you go for the one that's fucking running?
There we go.
See?
Got him.
What?
More sheep. And now I want some mutton and some white wool. So I can make a bed.
Seven simple, clear, clever life. Smart girls.
Megan?
Aiden died just when I was about to... I'll grab your stuff for you, Aiden. I've got it for you so it doesn't despawn. I'll give it back.
Yeah,
Yes! What? That was the dumbest idea ever. I won't! He's just saying that I'll keep his stuff, but I'm just picking it up for him so it won't despawn.
What does despawn mean?
It means it will just go away. Let me just kill the sheep. Die.
You do give it back, otherwise...
I will give it back.
Saying, because otherwise people won't play with you.
Look, I'm giving back his
I
bed,
don't know what all
and I'm
this
giving
is,
back
just
that,
saying to you.
and I'm giving back his map.
Make sure you do.
There, Aiden, you got all your 3 stuff back. 9 wood. No, you didn't. I don't have 9 wood. Planks. I only have 1 spruce plank. That's
Can
it.
you go and grab my handbag, Ronnie, from the freezer?
Honest, that's all I've got. What?
Can you go, not done what, mate? You just go and grab my handbag. It's on the freezer in the utility room. By the back door!
That is not a utility room, Mum.
Anna!
What do you want, Aiden? Don't hit me.
Oi!
He just...
Wherever you need to stop it.
I've only got 1 piece of wood, and I've got no wool. Only 3 pieces of white wool, which is mine that I've just got. And I've only...
Having a fucking funny 5 minutes.
Well, I didn't have... This is all my wool. I didn't steal it.
Aiden, he didn't have any of your wool, mate. Please don't argue over this.
I know, I didn't take 9 planks. This is my wool that I got fresh from 3 sheeps. Yeah, I killed 3 sheep. There was 2 in that field over there, and there was 1 when I was climbing this mountain.
Is Sam online, though?
I'm not sure. I'll check.
Would you like playing with Sam as well?
I do. No, wait, Sam's not online. Okay, I'm just gonna leave this world because it's gonna cause lots of arguments. What? I left the world because Aiden was just arguing over 9 pieces of wood.
Aiden!
No, Aiden was arguing.
Oh, alright. Well, he's not arguing, he's just saying something and you're getting a bit worked up over it.
I wrote creative in a different language.
Megan!
I'm going in a different world.
Megan!
Coming. Yeah.
What are you doing upstairs?
Okay.
What are you staying with?
The boys.
Guys, I think we're just all arguing over. It's just because I think it's just because it's a little bit early,
Oh, where?
kind of.
Our dog
And I'm getting worked up for my birthday in 3 days. He sat on you.
And he dribbled in my armpit. Ew, and he has a wet tail.
He wants you to rub his tummy because he's in a really funny mood today. Rub it, rub.
Yeah!
Hello.
Guys, you do know I'm broadcasting, right? Broadcasting, however you say it.
I literally don't know.
I'm in a world already. I'll invite you. It's creative. My dog's going crazy.
It's not your dog. Ah!
Domino, stop being crazy. Yeah, do that, Megan. Do that, do it, do it, do it. My dog's going crazy.
Not your dog, he's on my hair. He's on my hair. You're pulling it.
That doesn't make him your dog.
No! Ah!
It's creative, Aiden. You can grab anything. I'm gonna set up a mob fight.
Dog, please get off me, please. Thank you, doggy.
Actually, guys, do you want me to make a school in Minecraft? A Minecraft school. Okay, we're gonna have to leave this world, but I'll delete it because it's a really weird world. Nah, I'm not gonna delete it. Me and Aiden are gonna build a school, and there's gonna be a mob fighting one where you learn how to fight mobs and be the strongest Minecraft person in the world.
Please stop. Don't!
I'm good at PvP, so I might do good in this. Yeah, it's basically PvP. There's a PvP bit. Minecraft school.
No, not right now. You need to go and brush your teeth.
Yeah, it is going to.
And then you can have a lolly.
Okay, in a second though. Come here.
I literally have no idea.
How do you do? Ah! Don't let me.
Turned off.
Come here.
I turned off that. I turned off villagers.
Ow! Ow! I'm dead. No!
Guys,
Doug, 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 Doug!
Come on.
Doug!
I spawned in the world.
Ah! Don't lick me. Ew. He licked my tongue. Ew, don't lick my tongue.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Aiden? Can you help me, please? I'm doing the PvP bit of the school. It's basically like a jail, I guess. Oh my eye! You need to make the floor bedrock, okay? And then I'll do what I'm doing on the walls, okay? Amila! Oh wait, can that be the school, Amila? Can that be the school? The class? Amila, that's gonna be the class. Oh. Okay, that. It can be nearby the school then. That can be her house nearby the school. How about we're all like brother and sister in this game?
Dog, I'm dying. Dog! Dog! Yay, dog saved me.
No, we got the same teacher for everything, Aiden.
Oh, yeah. You saved me, dog. You saved me.
Well, the same teacher is the teacher for everything.
Are you cold, dog? Give me a cuddle. Oh!
Yeah, but yet again, we don't have. I'll help you with the floor. But yet again, we don't have everybody in here like Sam and Sunny and Megan and all that.
Dog, please get your ears pierced.
Megan might be if she wants to play. Megan, do you want to play Minecraft?
Yeah,
She wants to play in a second. And I'll place it when I've broken all the grass. Oh, sorry. My fault. I broke that. It's bedrock, so you can't break out of it. No, it's not the school prison. It's the PvP area. PvP arena, I should say. What?
This feels like it's the dog's elbow, and it feels like this.
I don't think you can. Are you just doing a roof? We don't need a roof. Aiden, we don't need a roof. Aiden, we're not supposed to have a roof. We're not supposed.
Is the dog dead?
I know, I'll check their inventory.
Dog, thank you. Now
Right, Megan, I've asked you if you go brush your teeth and get dressed.
Aiden, this is my world.
Yeah, when you've brushed your teeth and got dressed. In that order.
Aiden, stop! I don't want a roof.
Whose world are you in?
My world?
Right. Well, it needs to respect your thing then, your world.
Yeah, I'm making a school prison and he's helping me, but he's doing a roof when I don't want one.
Build it, and then build it, and then you can take the roof off later.
Okay, let's fly out now, because this is the PvP arena done. Now we need to... We're gonna have to build the playtime bit, like play. The playground. It's not made out of bedrock. It's not made out of bedrock. Right, hang on. Hang on. Check this out. This is the way to the PE room. Well, not basically it's racing and Aiden, basically all the time it's just Minecraft. Oh yeah, there can be a school jail, I guess. school is jail. No, Herobrine does not torture people. Not in this one. No torturing, Aiden.
I'm coming at your bloody school. Prison with fucking torture. Whatever. You know what they need to make? They need to make a Santa towel that goes, that gets wider at the back. So it just
Yeah, no, it's true, they do.
But we need to get brush your teeth and then get dressed.
In a minute, Aiden, I'll need to go and brush my teeth and get dressed and all that. But I'll still be able to play, hopefully.
Yeah, but you just have 5 minutes wait we can brush your teeth.
Actually, that would be 3 minutes, really, because it takes me a minute to get dressed and 2 minutes to brush my teeth. Yeah. Amila? I'm just building like a corridor to the
No.
I'm just building a corridor to the school. P bit.
No.
You have to make the classroom, okay?
No,
Not you,
I
Mum.
want to.
I said no. Stop being stupid. I can make you be stupid. I meant in a different way.
No!
Shut up.
Hey!
Stop it now. No, Amila, this is the way to the PE. This is not... Amila, this is not the classroom. This is the PE section. Maybe. Don't you start. I'm setting it to peaceful because this is really annoying. Stop! I will. No.
Buddy.
Amila, we don't need this. We don't need this. I can do it. Okay, so we need like... Go. Go away. Get out of the way.
There's a nerdy creep. There's a creep.
Buddy, am I annoying you? Tra-la-la.
Mm.
Tra-la-la.
I might have ate all.
You are so annoying.
I might have ate all the strawberry and cherry ones.
Oh my god, like, no way, are you actually joking? How is that going to even watch?
Oh.
Bruce, can you go
Just
put
orange and
flick
apple.
the kettle switch?
It's just orange and apple.
No. No, this is the PE bit where you run and then you have to race.
You don't believe it?
Did I nearly crit?
I've never been this far away from home before.
Did I nearly crit?
That is so dumb. Aiden's got to go to football at something time. Don't have a clue. Like 12:30, I think.
Ask him, he's on your headset.
No, he's getting ready for his football.
Alright.
Yummy orange lollipop.
Dude, the Megan, shut up.
You brush your teeth?
Yeah. The nerd cream. Riley's still on his PJs. And I don't think he's
That headset works, does it?
Uh-huh. We watched on YouTube for you.
You just can't talk, can you?
Yeah, I can.
What on that?
They can't hear you.
She
They
can't talk, you just can't hear her.
Well, they can.
They can, but
So pick it off and start one.
Megan, go on to your user. Or do you want to go? Or do you want to go as me?
Apple.
Or not? Ah, it's a little bit too high. Stop.
Can I join?
Yeah, you can.
Can I join your party? Wait,
What?
party please. Can I join your party? I don't know how to. Chilling out in the city of Glyndwr-ap-Cymru. Where's Squeak?
Give this to me now. I didn't break anything!
Who found that?
Aiden said that I broken something.
Oh, alright. If you're going to keep on shouting and arguing with one another, you can come off of it.
No, he's going in the second day, isn't it?
No, he's going at 12:30, which is in like an hour and a half. Oh, Sam is online. Okay.
Play nicely together, or I'll
No.
unfriend all of you.
How?
I'm sure Granddad will tell me how.
I know.
Cannot use this feature now. Other users have already joined this on this PS4. I've already joined.
Am I in the party?
No, you can't join it. They can still hear you.
I can't do that. Hello? I got you. Oh,
I don't know. I honestly don't know.
no. Close the tab. Cause what colour is that? Green. And then pink.
No,
No.
red, blue, and green. That's the finishing.
That's all your
This is PvP class. Who keeps on breaking everything?
Right, shut up now. I'm getting sick and tired of this pissing arguing.
Amelia's breaking all the stuff me and Aiden are building.
Well, Amelia needs to stop, or Aiden needs to go and tell his mum and tell his mum to tell her to stop.
No, Aiden, there's no TNT. No TNT.
It won't even blow up. It's better off.
No, put away the TNT.
It won't blow up.
No TNT. No, Amelia! Stop it!
It won't even blow up though, right?
I don't care. No TNT.
They've got a thingy on here. Mum, I don't know. I've probably got to get into something.
No TNT. Amelia, stop it. Stop it.
Amelia, stop now. Thank you.
Amelia's done it.
Well, then Aiden needs to go and tell his mum then.
Yeah.
What, do you want me to? Aiden wants you to speak in the mic.
Why?
I don't know. He just wants to.
Hello? If Amelia doesn't stop blowing up stuff, get your mum to tell her to stop. Because obviously it's annoying you and Riley, isn't it? And I can't be dealing with listening to Riley screaming at her through the headset. Alright, I'll pass you back to Riley. I was bloody quiet, how can you hear that?
I can't hear anything.
That's really quiet, I can hear the music on that. And Aiden's voice is really quiet.
No, I can hear Aiden.
No, I can only hear Amelia pulling a lever. That's it. And keep doing it.
No, I think Aiden's
What is this? Very boring. That's what it is. No daylight cycle, no weather cycle.
That's the top.
Whoever keeps on ruining this, they better stop. Don't!
And shut up!
Well, it's not my fault everything's getting broken by everybody.
Me?
I'm just gonna play with me as just me and Megan because Aiden and Amelia are just wrecking everything.
Aiden that's doing it, is it?
Okay, I'm definitely.
I love
What?
Mummy, do you want to try an orange?
No, I'm
pineapple?
absolutely fine, thank you.
Nanny, do you want to try an orange?
No,
pineapple?
thank you, darling.